Om Gurram Namaste. Good morning, all of you. My dear third class students, today discuss about multiplication. See, what is meant by multiplication? Multiplication is a repeated addition. Multiplication is a repeated addition. See here in your course book, page number 48. Course book beta. Course book page number 48, multiplication. See here, in your previous class you have learned that multiplication is repeated addition. Multiplication is repeated addition. Let us recapitulate the points we know about multiplication. Change the repeated addition given below to multiplication and multiplication to repeated addition. See here. See here. 1 plus 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 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, multiplication is repeated addition. See, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8, 8 plus 1, 9. See, repeated addition means 1 is how many times repeated, beta? 9 times repeated. So, 1 9 the 9. Now, next 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 6, 7, 8. See here. See, 0 is how many times added? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Means 0 is added to 0, you can get 0 beta. Now here 0 into how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what we get beta? 0. Because 0 is multiplied by any number, you can get 0. Now next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8. See here, 5 plus 5 10, 10 plus 5 15, plus 5 20, plus 5 25, plus 5 30, plus 5 35, 40 beta. So this is the actual addition. Here 5 how many times repeated count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. So 5 8s are 40. So multiplication is repeated addition. So 5 is the given number. 5 how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 times. You can write 8 times. So 5 8s are 40. Then how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See here, 10 plus and 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You can add, you will get 70. Now here, 10 into 10, how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So 10 7s are 70 is answer. The product of 10 into 7, 70. Next 6. 1, 2, 3, 4 times. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12, 12 plus 6, 18 plus 6, 24. So here 6 into how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4 times. Now 6 4s are 24. Next 3. How many times? Write down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. See. 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, 15. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 3, 21. This is the actual addition. So, 3 into how many times repeated? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 times. So, 3 7s are 21. Next, here listen carefully. Next, 10 into 4. See here, 10 4s are 40. So, 10 how many times repeated? 4 times repeated. 10 plus dash. So, see, you can get 40. Next, 0 into 2, you can get 0. So, 0, how many times repeated? 2 times. 1 plus, see here, 0 plus 0. So, what we get later? 0. Now, next, 2 6 are 12. 2, how many times repeated? 6 times. So, 1 is given. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. See here. How many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So what we get? 2 plus 2, 4, 6 plus 2, 8 plus 2, 10 plus 2, 12. Next, 9 3s are 27. 9 how many times repeated? 3 times. 1 time is given. 9 plus 9, 18 plus 9, 27. Next, solve the following problems. This is very easy. See here, 3 into 0. 3 multiply with 0. 0 3 is 0. Next, 7 into 1. 1 7 is 7. Next, 10 into 5. 5 10 is 50. Next, 1 into 1. 1 1 is 1. Next, 8 into 3. 8 3 is 24. Next, 0 into 6. 6 zeros are 0. Next, 2 into 9 means 2 is multiplied with 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 2s are 18. 6 0 0. 3 8s are 24. 1 7s are 7. 5 10s are 50. 1 1s are 1. Now next, 7 into 2. 2 7s are 14. Next, 1 into 4. 4 1s are 4. Next, 5 into 6. 6 5s are 30. Now next, page number 49. Answer the following questions. See first one. See here. Answer the following questions. How many cars are there in the given figure? 1, 2, 3, 4. See here. Number of cars. This is better. Number of cars is equals to how many cars? 4 cars better. Next, number of wheels per car. ఒక్కొక్క కార్కి ఎన్ని వీల్స్ ఉన్నాయి బేటా? నంబర్ ఆఫ్ wheels per car. 4 wheels. See here total wheels. Look at the blackboard. Total wheels is equals to 4 into 4. 4 into 4. 4 4 is 60. Next, second one. This is gift boxes. How many boxes are there in the given picture? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 boxes. Number of boxes. Number of boxes. How many boxes beta? 6 boxes. Number of faces for each box. Number of faces for each box. So each box means how many faces? 6 faces. Total faces is equals to 6 into 6. 6 6 are 36. Now next, this is beta. Number of teams. How many teams are there beta here? The given picture, how many teams are there? 2 teams. Number of teams. 2. Number of players in each team. Count. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 better. Next, total players. Total players is equals to 2 into 7. 2 7 is 14. Total players what beta? 14. Now next figure. How many trays? How many trays are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many eggs are there in each tray? 2 plus 2, 4 plus 2, 6, 8. 8 eggs in each tray. See here, number of trays. Number of trays is equals to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, number of eggs in each tray. So how many eggs? 2 plus 2, 4, 6, 8 eggs. Total eggs is equals to 5 into 8. 5 eggs are 40. Next, this is number of sweets, number of sweet boxes. See here in the given picture, how many sweet boxes are there? 1, 2, 3. Number of sweet boxes. Three better. Number of sweets in each box. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 12. Number of sweets in each box. 12 sweets. Total sweets is equals to 5 into 12. Sorry, 3 kada? 3 into 12. 12 3 is 36. 12 3 is 36. Next, see here, next one. How many pencils are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 pencils in each box. Number of pencil boxes, 2. Number of pencils in each box. 11. Total pencils. 2 into 11. 11 2s are 22. See here, this is very important topic. Listen carefully. Multiply and write the answer. Listen carefully better. 23 into 4. So 23 into 4. First we multiply 3 with 4. So because 3 is in ones place. 4 3s are 12. So don't write 12, you can write 2. Because 12 is a 2-digit number. In it, you can take always ones digit number. So that is 2. 2 taking and write down under ones column. The remaining number is 1. This is carry over. Means carrying 1. Next, we multiply tens place digit, that is 2 with 4. So 2 4s are 8. So don't write 8 directly because carrying 1 is there. 1 is added to 8. So 1 is added to 8 means 8 plus 1 you can get 9. 9 write down under tens column of the product. So 92. Product is equals to 92. Next, 54 into 6. 54 is multiply with 6. First, 4 is multiply with 6 because 4 is in ones place. So, multiply with 6 means 6 4s are, not 4 6s are. Not 4 6s are. You can multiply 4 with 6 means you can read 6 table. So, 6 4s are. 6 4s are 24. 24 is a 2-digit number. In it, you can taking and write down where under ones place. Which number taking? So 4 is taking, write down under ones place. And the given number is 2, remaining number 2, that is 2 is carrying. Now next we can multiply tens place digit with 6. Tens place digit 5, multiply with 6 means 6 5s are, not 5 6s are. 6 5s are 30. So 2 is added to 30 because 2 is carrying number now. So added to 30 means 30 plus 2 32. So this is the last place of the given number. So you can write 32 directly. There is no carrying. See here, product is equals to 324. See means 54 is multiply with 6 means you can read 6 table. First, once you can multiply once test digit. 4 with 6 means you can read 6 table. 6 4s are 24. 24 in it, 4 is and taking write down under ones column and carrying 2. Next, multiply 5 with 6 means you can read 6 table. 6 5s are 30 plus how much carrying is there? 2. 2 is added to 30. 30 plus 2 32. So you can write total number because this is the last digit, last place of the given number. So you can write directly 32. So product is equals to 324. Next, 42 into 2. So 42 is multiply with 2. First, multiply digits in ones place, that is 2. 2 is multiply with means you can read 2 table. 2 2s are 4. 4 is a single digit number. There is no carrying. You can write directly under ones place of the product. Now next, you can multiply 4 with 2 means 2 table read 2 4s are 8. This is also single one digit number. You can write directly 8 under 10. So product is equals to 84. Now next, 15 into 4. 15. First we multiply one space digit, that is 5. 5 multiply with 4 means you can read 4 table. 4 5s are 20. 4 5s are 20. In it 0 is taking and write down under ones column of the product and carrying 2. Next, 4 1s are 4 plus 2 is added to each. 4 plus 2 6. You can write 6 under 10. This product is equals to 60. Next, 25 1s are So first we multiply 5 with 1. 1 5 are 5. Next 1 2 are 2. Product is equals to 25. Next 234 multiply with 2. First we multiply one space digit, that is 4. 4 is multiply with 2, means you can read 2 table. 2 4 is 8. Next multiply with 2, which is 10 space digit. So 2 3 is 6. Next we can multiply 100 space digit with 2. 2 2 is 4. Product is equals to 468. 146 into 7. So 146 is multiply with 7. So first multiply the digits in one's place, that is 6. 6 multiply with 7. 7, you can read 7 table. 7 6 are 42. In it 2 is taking right down under one's place and remaining number 4 is carrying. Next 7 4s are 28. 4 is added to 28. So 32. What we get? 28 plus 4, you can get 32. In it 2 is taking a write down under tens column of the product and carrying 3. Next 7 1s are 7. Plus 3, you can get 10. This is the last digit of the given number. You can write 10 directly. Product is equals to 1020. Now next 513 into 4. See, 513 is multiply with 4. First multiply one space digit, that is 3 with 4. 4 3 are 12. This is 2 digit number. In it 2 is taking right down under one space of the product and remaining number 1 is carrying. Next 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is added to each. 4 plus 1, you can get 5. There is no carrying, you can write directly 5 under tens place of the product. Now next 4 5s are 20. This is the last digit of the given number, so you can write 20 directly. So product is equals to 2050. See, 401 is multiply with 3. First multiply the digits in one's place, that is 1. 1 is multiply with 3, so you can read 3 table. 3 1s are 3. Next 3 zeros are 0. 3 4s are 12. You can write directly 1200. Next 253 into 6. See, 253 is multiply with 6. First multiply the digits in one's place, that is 3. 3 is multiply with 6. 6 3s are 18. So in it 8 is taking right down under one's place of the product and 1 is carrying. Next 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 1 31. In it 1 is taking right down under tens place of the product and the remaining number 3 is carrying. Next 6 2s are 12 plus 3 is added to 12. 12 plus 3 15. You can write total number. The product is equals to 1580. Next everybody read multiplication tables 1 to 15. So here 11 12 13 14 15 table is given. Everybody read. See. Now next multiplication of 4 digit numbers using bundle. So I can just explain the total explanation given in your course book. Okay, I can explain, listen carefully. bundling. See here, Reshmi's mother is making a decorative hanging with beads. So asked Reshmi to make chain of 9 beads each. 9 beads each. ఒక్కొక్క sign లో 9 beads ఉండాలి బేట. Reshmi made 5 such chains. How many chains he made? 5 chains. In each chain, how many beads are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. See here, her mother asked Reshmi, how many beads did you see to make the 5 chains? మరి నువ్వు 5 chains మేక్ చేసావు కదా, తయారు చేసావు కదా, అందులో ఎన్ని బీడ్స్ ఉన్నాయి? I have used 9 beads in each chain. నేను ఒక్కొక్క చైన్లో 9 beads యూజ్ చేశాను. Therefore, 5 chains I have used. See, you can write this like only. How many times you can write? So, 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9 plus 9. So, 9 5s are 45 beads, said Rashmi. Rashmi, why did you add the beads 5 times? ఎందుకు 5 times నువ్వు వేసావు? See here, 9 5s are 45. So, could you have done with the same by using multiplication instead of Rashmi's mother? Rashmi did multiplication as follows. So, how many chains are there? Total chains 5. 5 chains. So, in each chain, how many beads are there? 9 beads. How many beads? 9 beads. Beads for chain. Beads for chain. See here. See, Rashmi made 5 chains. So this is 5 chains. Total chains 5. And into, see here, 9 beads in each chain. So you can get 5 9s are 45 beads. So how many beads total? In total? So total 45 beads. Then her mother asked her to make 4 chains with 12 beads. Very simple. So make 4 chains into 12 beads. See here. This time Reshmi was ready with the answer even before her mother completed the question. The total number of beads I have used to make 4 chains means here. How many? 4 chains in each chain 12 beads means total beads in one chain 12 beads. And how many chains he made? 4 chains. 12 4s are 48. You can see directly. See here, Rashmi arrived the answer by multiplying 4 chains with 12 beads. So 12 4s are 48. We can understand from this that multiplication is repeated addition beta. Multiplication is repeated addition. See, 5 chains 9 beads means 5 chains 9 beads. So 9 beads repeated 5 times, no? Like that only. See here, 12 into 4. Now multiplication is repeated addition. So multiplication is a short way to find the sum of adding the same number many times. See, let us see few more examples. There are 5 groups star. Here how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 groups. There are 6 stars in each group. ఒక్కొక్క గ్రూప్ లో ఎన్ని స్టార్స్ ఉన్నాయి బేట? 6. కౌంట్ 1 2 3 4 5 6. So therefore total number of stars is equals to 5 groups into 6 stars. 5 6 are 30. Now next here this is, there are 3 trays with 4 pizzas in each tray. How many trays are there? There are 3 trays with 4 pizzas. See here, 1 2 3 4. See here, each tray. The total number of pizzas can be calculated as, see here, 3 trays and 4 pizzas. See here, 3 4s are 12. Now, so instead of adding the number of multiple times, it is easy to get the answer by multiplying once. So now next, see here, There are 4 groups of ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. And each group has 5 ducks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many groups are there, beta? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 groups. In each group has 5 ducks. So here the total number of ducks means 4 groups into 5. 5 means each group has 5 ducks. 4 5s are 20. So now here next one, there are 2 trees. ఇక్కడ 2 చెట్లు ఉన్నాయి. And each tree is home for 8 monkeys. ఒక్కొక్క చెట్టు పైన 8 మంకీలు నివాసం ఉంటున్నాయి. Home means like house. See here, monkeys home. So the total number of monkeys on both the trees means here 2 trees, in each tree has 8 monkeys, 2 8 is 16. So how many monkeys are there total? 16 monkeys. Now next here Abdul bought 5 biscuit packets. How many biscuit packets? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Each biscuit packet contains 15 biscuits. ఒక్కొక్క biscuit packet లో 15 biscuits ఉన్నాయి బేటా. So Abdul wants to know how many biscuits are there in total. మరి మొత్తం అందులో ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి అని క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలని అనుకుంటున్నాడు. The total number of biscuits can be calculated by multiplying 5 and 15. So 5 into 15. So 15 5 is 75. So therefore Abdul has 75 biscuits with him. Now let us multiply two numbers using multiplication tables. See here, this is written carefully. See here, 29 into 2. So 29 is multiply with 2. So first multiply 9 with 2 means 2 9s are 18. So in it 8 taking right down under one space of the products. Now remaining number 1 is carrying. Next 2 2s are 4. 1 is added to 4, that is carrying, always added to the next production. So 4 plus 1 you can get 5. 58. Next here 56 into 7. First we multiply the digits in one space. 6 multiply with 7, you can read 7 tables. 7 6 are 42. In it 2 is taking right down under one space and carrying what none remaining number 4, 4 is carrying. Next 7 5 are 35. Next we multiply the digits in 10 space, that is 5. 5 multiply with 7 means 7. Table read 7 5 are 35. 35 plus the carrying is 4 added to 35. So 35 plus 4, 39. This is the last digit of the given number. You can write 39 total. So 390. Thank you everybody.